In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark a sales invoice as paid in Zoho Books. If you've ever found yourself scratching your head when navigating through your financial records in Zoho Books, don't worry, you're not alone. This can be a crucial task in managing your business finances and ensuring your books are always up to date. Follow along, and you'll have those invoices marked as paid in no time. To start, you'll need to navigate to the Sales module. You'll find this option on the left sidebar of your Zoho Books dashboard. This is your go-to place for anything sales related, and it houses all your invoices, estimates, and customer information. Once you're in the Sales module, look for the Invoices section. A quick click here will take you to a list of all your present and past invoices. This list is vital for keeping track of what's been sent out, what's pending, and what's already completed. Next, you'll want to select the specific invoice you need to mark as paid. Scroll through your list or use the search function to make this process quicker and more efficient. Once you've located the invoice, it's time to take action. You'll notice a Record Payment button situated in the top right corner of the invoice page. Click on this button to proceed. It's not only about marking it paid, entering the correct details here is crucial for keeping your financial records accurate. As you click on Record Payment, you'll see a section to fill in several payment details. First, enter the amount received. This, of course, should correspond exactly to the payment you've received for that particular invoice. Next, select the payment date. Make sure this date reflects when you received the funds. Accuracy is crucial here, as the payment date will affect your cash flow records and financial reports. Additionally, you'll need to indicate where the funds were deposited by selecting the appropriate account from the Deposit To drop-down menu. This step ensures that your bank records match up with your transactions in Zoho Books, providing consistency and clarity across your financial data. Once you've filled in all the necessary information, double-check to ensure everything is accurate and nothing has been missed. The final step in this process is to hit the Save button. Upon doing so, Zoho Books will officially update the status of your invoice to paid. Now, with this invoice marked as paid, you can rest easy knowing your records are up to date and accurate. Maintaining precise and current books is an ongoing part of smart business management, and by keeping your invoices in check, you gain better insights and control over your company's financial health. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide helped you with this essential task in Zoho Books.